Callie friends, and today I'm going to be opening up some
Tsum Tsum, Disney Tsum Tsums Mystery Pack, Season 4, Series 4,
yes, and
also Series 5, Disney Tsum Tsum. Collect them all. So what characters do we have already?
we got
There's going to be Kristoff.
Yeah, Kristoff and Discuss from a movie.
From Inside Out. All right, and then it also comes with a mystery character.
Mystery. And it's actually in a plastic bag, so you can't just like look at the...
So you have no idea what it is. It's a true mystery.
Yes.
All right. So what are you going to open up for? Okay, let's take a look at the back of that one first if you're going to open up that one. So we can get Joy.
This kind of weird clown.
Shock. Timon. Lotso. Lotso's from Toy Story. Lock. AM. I don't know what that is. I can't see. Lilo. Goofy. And Perry.
And
What else do we have? Sadness. Zero. Tigger. Rapunzel. Ursula. Bullseye. And Baymax. Which one do you want, Callie?
I want Ariel.
You want... Oh, that's...
I mean Rapunzel.
Rapunzel.
Not it.
You want Rapunzel. All right. Let's see who we got. With all of her might, she's going to do it. Somehow.
Without using the scissors. The scissors.
Let's see. I guess she needs some scissors. She said, I can do this.
I just made a little cut.
Oh, lucky. What did you get?
I got Goofy. Let me get it out. You can't really see it. I'll rip this open.
I think you'll need
Think I need scissors?
I think you'll need scissors again. Oh, maybe not.
How first? Wait.
So it looks. Can I see?
How first two? I think that says.
Nope. How to fish.
Oh, how.
So he's reading a book on how to fish.
Then you got like a little thing.
I guess that's, it's like a tackle box.
Yeah.
I guess he's really learning how to fish.
Yep. Just open Goofy.
Yeah, just open Goofy. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on,
be
Goof.
Nice. Be nice. Be nice. Don't be Goofy. You like my joke, Goofy?
That's
Goofy?
good. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's take a look at Goofy. There he is.
I don't think he can carry this very good.
He might have some
You
issues.
can ride on it.
He might have to go inside of it.
Yeah.
So here
Just
is,
an open one.
here's Goofy. With an orange top, blue bottoms, and a green hat. Craziness. All right, so now we're going to open up Kristoff and Disgust and see.
And it also comes with
Is there a?
little
Oh,
thing.
it comes with a.
Let's dive into it.
Let's dive right into that.
Yeah. I got this.
Epic fail.
We need an epic success.
All right.
Oh, there are the texts.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Chris.
Well, let's take out the
Disgust.
ones that we know first. So there's Disgust. Look at Disgust is huge.
Okay, Chris.
So there's Disgust for the movie Inside Out. I haven't actually seen this movie. I always wanted to, and I know it's pretty old. Have you seen it? I think you've seen it at school. No?
I didn't.
No?
Seen it.
Jordan's seen it at
The
school.
blind bag. And then let's get Kristoff out of here.
There's the blind bag.
Stuck. He's gonna be stuck in here.
Oh no!
Kristoff, I'm gonna get you free. Come, Kristoff.
Kristoff is stuck in there forever.
My voice probably sounds really weird on camera.
Can I see that? Here,
Yeah.
I'll get Jordan to. You can open up the blind bag, and then we'll show Kristoff.
Okay,
All right, let's see what's in the blind bag. Oh!
what's this?
Oh, that's oh my gosh.
What's this? Oh, it's that guy.
That's the monster from Monster Inc.
Oh, what's Monster Inc?
Where's the
What's Monster Inc? He's
it's,
cute.
you haven't seen Monster Inc, have you?
Cute.
It's a good movie. Can I see him?
Got him out.
Oh, I forget his name.
I never watched it.
Yeah, it's a great movie.
Well, I'm not watching it.
Did you get Kristoff?
Yeah.
Can I see Kristoff?
Kristoff.
And there is Kristoff. Saving the day.
In his own
Pretty cool.
superhero way.
All right, so we got, looking at the checklist,
Mike.
Mike is his name. So Mike, looks like it's a lucky one because I think is it me? Oh yeah, it's yellow.
Yes.
So what does it say for yellow?
Yo.
No, in the next page, right here. Oh, I guess maybe it's common.
Yellow
Is it common?
Yes.
Okay, so the big disgust is orange, so I think it's lucky. So it's
Orange is lucky.
yep. And then Kristoff. So Kristoff, I believe, is the next page. Right where Elsa is, right next to Elsa.
Kristoff is lucky too.
And Kristoff is lucky too.
And Goofy didn't come with this. So.
And Goofy is from the other set.
Yeah, I don't think he's on here.
No, I don't think so, because he's from series 4, and these guys are from series 5.
Yeah. And then,
So.
oh, Pluto's so cute. He's like a little puppy.
So,
Well, he is a little.
and of all those ones, which ones do you want to get, Callie?
Let me.
Here's some pretty cool ones.
Who is that? Is that Blue the Bear?
That's Baloo.
Is that from like Jungle Book?
That's from Jungle Book.
I love that movie.
That's from Jungle Book.
Wait, that's from Jungle Book? Oh, wait.
I want Simba. Simba would be cool.
Who's Simba?
From The Lion King.
Oh, that's so cute. Little cute. See what
There's Peter Pan. There's Cinderella. There's Lucifer.
it's on the other side.
I think I know which one you'd pick. You probably want Elsa.
That's what you would think I would pick.
That's the one I'm thinking. That's the one I'm thinking you're going to pick.
Look. Little Eeyore.
As everyone knows, Callie loves Eeyore.
It's just he's so cute and small, and I love donkeys.
You do.
I love donkeys.
Yes. Oh, hey Callie,
Yeah.
go grab your new stuffed toy. While she's grabbing the stuff, she's gonna really want to show you guys because she loves. All right.
First of all, I want you to know.
Oh, there's Eeyore, which.
So first I want you guys to guess what it is. I'll give you a clue. It has a horn.
I think you just gave it up. It's a rhinoceros.
Unicorn!
Oh, it's not a rhinoceros. Oh, it's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn.
Look at that.
I named it Rosie.
Rosie the unicorn. Awesome.
So socks.
All right. Remember to subscribe to Callie's channel if you have not done so. Like,
Comment.
comments, share with your family and friends.
And until next time. Bye. Edwards is being
Say it.
weird.
Sorry.
Bye.
Oh, Jordan's being weird. Is that what you said? Oh. See you later, guys.